Priyanka and Nick are expecting. Is Vicky and Katrina's wedding really happening? Bolly B is answering all your burning questions today. So stick around for all the juicy scoop. We're also throwing in Kangna's fiery post and counting the zeros on Prabhas's huge paycheck. All this and more on our latest edition of Bolly Buzz. After pulling off that divorce publicity stunt, you'd think Priyanka Chopra ran out of ideas to grab the headlines. Well, one thing's for sure, you cannot underestimate this desi girl. The actress made jaws drop and eyes pop when she said, "Nick and I are expecting." Just when everyone, including Nick, thought a baby Chopra Jonas was on the way, she quipped, "To get drunk tonight and sleep in tomorrow." Hate to say we told you so, but in just a week from today, Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal will officially tie the knot. While the couple is showing no signs of even admitting the relationship, let alone the big day, good thing Ayushmann Khurrana was around to indirectly confirm what we've been saying all along. When Ayushmann was asked to describe the kind of date he would take Katrina on, he was quick to reply, "Listen, I can't dance like her. I don't know man, Katrina Kaif. But yeah, Vicky Kaushal is a Punjabi na, so I'm sure there's some Punjabi connect for sure." Speaking of dancing, Prabhas has been dancing his way to the bank, it seems. Buzz is that the hunk was offered a handsome paycheck for his roles in Adipurush and Sandeep Reddy Vanga's Spirit. He is apparently now the third actor in the last decade to be paid over 100 crores as his fees. The others include Salman Khan, who got over 100 crores for Sultan and Tiger Zinda Hai, and Akshay Kumar, who was reportedly paid 100 crores post Bell Bottom. Meanwhile, one star who apparently lost out on making some extra change was Kartik Aaryan. Buzz is that the handsome hunk lost Mr. and Mrs. Mahi opposite Janhvi Kapoor to Rajkumar Rao. Our khabaris tell us, after his exit from Dostana 2, the collateral damage was Kartik going out of Mr. and Mrs. Mahi too. And helping us wrap up this update is Kangna Ranaut. The actress who posted that controversial post on her Instagram stories was booked for hurting religious sentiments on Tuesday. Seemingly unfazed by mounting number of cases against her, Kangna shared a risk photo from a throwback photo shoot and quipped, "Another day, another FIR. Just in case they come to arrest, mood at home." That's all for today. We'll be back tomorrow with lots more, so stay tuned.